How to make a paper airplane. Step 1, hot dog style. Step 2, make the top like a triangle. Step 3, do this. Step 4, make sure it's like this. Warning, step 5 is a little bit complicated, but you got it. The step 5 is to do this. Step 6, if you want to make this like this, you can, but you don't have to. Step 7, let's go out and test it. Now you got your paper airplane ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, looks like it got busted. Oh, so you're welcome. Please subscribe, comment, and you remember you can stop the video and like. Bye.